So the Chinese market is extremely competitive, both in terms of speed, cost, and the pricing in the marketplace. The N7 is a significant success for Nissan. In the past few weeks since it was launched less than 3 months ago, we've achieved 20,000 orders, which is meaningfully above what we had initially planned for. And I think this gives a lot of credibility to the strategy that we have put in place in China, and that is being executed with N7 first, as we are now clearly creating models, developing models in China for Chinese, at Chinese speed, with Chinese suppliers, Chinese cost, Chinese technologies, listening to the China customer. And N7 is the first of a series of projects that we will be launching, vehicles that we will be launching in the Chinese market over the next 2 years. Some of these will then also get exported outside of China as Nissan starts to grow its sales with using China as a hub for exports. And N7 will be the first vehicle to which we try to replicate outside of China the success it's having in China today.
Yeah, and I will pick up on that in a moment, but I just wanted to ask you about the Chinese market long term. Do you still see this market as being absolutely crucial ahead, and do you still have confidence that you can regain market share given the kind of race to the bottom that we have seen there?
The Chinese market is the largest OEM market, vehicle market in the world. It's one where we think Nissan can play to win. That's why we've committed to the strategy of bringing in 9 new products, new energy vehicle products in the next 2 years. Again, developed in China for the customer in China, with the Chinese customer in mind. This is a breakthrough to how we were operating in the past. N7 is the proof that the strategy is working. In June, the Chinese sales were up for Nissan year on year for the first time in many quarters, and we expect this trend to continue. So I would say in China, we are seeing the first positive returns of a strategy that we started to implement internally about 24 months ago.
And in terms of using the manufacturing sites in China as the export hub, are we thinking about exporting these N7s to Southeast Asia? And what is the time frame here? Are we talking about this year or next fiscal year?
Yes, we intend to export N7. There are opportunities in Southeast Asia. There are opportunities in the Middle East. There are opportunities elsewhere in the world. We're only a few quarters away from that potential export market to be realized. And it is an important pillar of the growth strategy that Nissan intends to implement.
And could we see as well more models being produced, designed in China and then exported out? So is this, I guess, a business model for the future when it comes to new energy vehicles?
It is a significant business opportunity for Nissan. Today, about 6 million Chinese vehicles are produced in China and exported, and we believe Nissan can grab its fair share of this export business. Therefore, we will be pursuing this strategy definitely.